Okay, Diane, you can stop talking now and go into the video. Sure, no problem. Let's see what I come up with. Okay, you here for the ride? Alright, shorty. So we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and you're gonna put it right here, alright? And it's X, marks the spot, honey, alright? And take your foundation brush, and you're gonna blend that out as best as you can. Because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and make the space as broad as I can. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with the concealer, you know, and blend that out. It's better to have a wide space to work with and not really need it than, you know, need it and not have it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so, yeah. So you're gonna use a stippling motion, okay? Don't drag it, just pat, 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 pat. You know, like when you have a weave and you can't scratch it, you gotta pat. Okay, that's what you're gonna do, okay? Pat, pat, pat. Now we're gonna go in with our colors. Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. So with these blues, alright, these blues, don't make your mind go there, honey. That's not what I'm talking about. Okay, that's not what I'm talking about. Okay, so this blue, you can go in with this as well. You know, just go from light to dark, and then I'll put some black on the end. I'll get thee. The lightest that I have is this, and then move to that, then this color, and go in with the darker color. Okay? Okay, Diane, you can stop talking now and go into the video. Sure, no problem. Okay, so now that you have a rough sketch, alright, what you're gonna do is go back with your 16-hour Camo Concealer, you know, that white concealer, alright, and you're going to make like a reflection in the water, alright, because I'm a Pisces baby, so everything revolves on water. So you don't really have to make it be water, but you know, that's just my preference. So I have two brushes, this angled eyeliner brush and this small flat-ish whatever brush. It's supposed to be like for lips and whatever, but yeah, I got big lips and it's gonna take me forever to use it, so I use it for eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now make a dot in the lighter portion. You don't have to put too much, and you're gonna lightly use that bit to spread out, like almost like a star, if you will. Okay, so let's go take some of it and move it that direction, this direction, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Alright, and I normally use wipes. Alright, take off the excess. It looks a little rough right now, but it's alright, okay? You're gonna go in with your blue from the lightest color to the darkest color. Make sure you have some tissue on deck so that you can wipe in between. Alright? Let's get into it. Yeah, right. You see it. Now, let's put some sea creatures in our little ocean. Ready? Alright, let's go. So we're gonna be using the e.l.f. black eyeliner. beautiful people. I know you can't see my mouth, but I know you can hear me, okay? So, I'm giving some Mortal Kombat type look. This is not where I wanted it to really go, but, you know, that's what it does. So, we gonna make it happen, okay? We gonna work with it. Alright, so, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smush that bell notification button so that you can get more videos from me. Alright? See you guys in the next one. Later!